this workshop that involves 15 different countries from Africa. It's a regional workshop, and the idea is really to foster collaboration between international collections and national programs.
This workshop, mostly this current workshop, is very important through this project, because today we can't do anything activity of Genebank without SOP. So mainly the topic that have been discussed is very, very important. SOP on regeneration, characterization, field conservation, many things.
We are benefiting a lot from the project, because it's coming with the so needed resources, the so needed funding that is needed to carry out the duties.
It's not just capacity building, it's really changing information on how we operate, and the idea is to be more efficient.